Hey guys, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to open up the BoilerMag one more time since our last cleaning, my last cleaning actually, and a bit of a follow-up to the first video that Otis from BlackRock did so that you guys can see how dirty this thing actually gets. I don't know if you can see in there, but you see all the rust. And keep in mind that this is even post the rust inhibitor that was put in here, the amount of gunk that gets accumulated. Now we just want to show you the earth magnet here. I'm gonna grab a white paper towel so you guys can see the amount of junk that gets accumulated on here. So without the BoilerMag, this ends up going into your heating system and over time clogging everything up. Think about it like your arteries. This system becomes the arteries to your heart, being your boiler and your expensive equipment that would otherwise get clogged up unless otherwise protected. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna clean it up and then we'll install it back in. So as you can see, this is my second BoilerMag, which we're gonna take advantage and clean at the same time. And again, same thing, you got that thick sludge just built up on the magnet itself. Very thick. We're gonna get those both cleaned up and put it back together again. So I just wanna show you what the earth magnet actually looks like once it's actually clean. So you remember the very dark sludgy part that was on here? This is what it should be when it's clean. And then it has this little mesh down here. So as it's sitting like that and the water goes through, it catches some of the loose particles that are actually not magnetized and therefore protecting your system even further.